Hey Cheryl, can you explain to me some examples of emotional regulation skills?
Emotional regulation skills are strategies that individuals use to manage and cope with strong emotions, reduce emotional intensity, and respond effectively to emotional situations. Developing emotional regulation skills can lead to better mental health and improved relationships. Here are some examples of emotional regulation skills. Mindfulness: practice being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. This helps you to stay present and be aware of your emotions as they arise. Deep breathing: use deep, slow breaths to calm your body and mind when you feel overwhelmed by strong emotions. Self-awareness: identify your emotions and understand their triggers, which helps you to anticipate and manage them better. Cognitive reappraisal: reframe your thoughts to change the way you perceive a situation or event, reducing the intensity of your emotional response. Distraction: shift your focus to something else, like a hobby or task, to take your mind off the emotion-provoking situation. Self-soothing: engage in comforting activities, such as taking a warm bath, listening to soothing music, or engaging in a relaxing hobby to help calm your emotions. Support system: reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional for help in managing your emotions. Problem solving: address the source of your emotions by finding practical solutions to the problems or challenges you are facing. Acceptance: acknowledge and accept your emotions without judgment or resistance, understanding that emotions are a natural part of being human. Expressing emotions: share your feelings with someone you trust or through journaling, art, or another creative outlet. Physical activity: engage in exercise or other physical activities to help release built-up emotional energy and promote overall well-being. Sleep and relaxation: prioritize getting enough sleep and engaging in relaxation techniques, such as meditation or progressive muscle relaxation, to help regulate your emotions.
Thanks. I also heard about this thing called co-regulation. What's that?
Co-regulation is a process in which two or more individuals work together to manage and regulate their emotions, behaviors, and physiological states. It often occurs in close relationships, such as between a parent and child, romantic partners, or close friends. Co-regulation helps individuals feel more secure, connected, and emotionally balanced. In co-regulation, one person's emotional state influences and supports the other person's emotional state, leading to a shared emotional experience. This process often involves emotional attunement: being aware of and empathetic to the other person's emotional state, showing understanding and validation of their feelings. Responsiveness: reacting in a supportive and caring manner to the other person's emotional needs, providing comfort and reassurance. Communication: openly sharing emotions, thoughts, and concerns with the other person, facilitating a deeper understanding and connection. Modeling: demonstrating healthy emotional regulation skills for the other person to observe and learn from. Collaborative problem solving: working together to address the source of emotional distress, finding solutions and strategies to manage emotions effectively. Co-regulation is an essential aspect of social emotional development, particularly in childhood. Parents and caregivers play a critical role in helping children learn to self-regulate by providing a supportive and nurturing environment in which children can develop emotional regulation skills. As individuals grow and form relationships with others, co-regulation continues to play a crucial role in fostering emotional well-being and resilience.